everyone! It's me again, Mommy Ann. So today is may bago na naman tayong gagawin na vlog. And today is we're gonna unboxing a new package. And this is Tren. So this is from CAISSEY.PH. And pinadala nila sa atin to. And I'm so excited to open it para makita ko na kung ano yung nasa loob. So, wow, it's so cute. I love the packaging. This is from Casey. Yan, lagi dito. So, thank you so much, Casey, for sending this. And I love it. I love the packaging. And, ayan. Kita nyo? So, ayan. Looks so nice. And the ribbon, the colors combination is so, I love it. And the name, the font of the name. Sobrang ganda niya. Yun yung first impression ko sa kanya. Lakas makasosyal ng itsura niya. So, I will open it na. Because pare-pares na tayo excited to know what is inside. So, tanan! Wow! Wow! Oh my gosh! Then, so this is accessories. Wow. So may nakalagay na thank you card sa loob ng lalagyan. So ito. So nakalagay dito is thank you for your purchase at CAISSEY.PH, yun yung Instagram nila. And here's a little gift for you on your next purchases. May heart and something here na parang halagay dito. May little gift sila for you sa susunod na purchase, and you need to scratch it, this heart sa gitna, and remove before bathing, swimming, and exercising. Avoid contact with moisture, water, perfume, lotions, and other chemicals. Were not in use, store your what's this? Dresses in the jewelry. So ayun, something stuff. So ayun, yung Instagram nila is CAISSEY.PH. So ayun, thank you so much for sending me this. So ano nga ba yung mga laman na pinadala nila sa atin? So, ano nga bang laman nito? Ang laman nito is ito. Sobrang ganda niya. So, ayan. Pinadala sa atin ng CAISSEY.PH. Thank you so much for giving me this. Oh my gosh, I love it. Sobrang magagamit ko to sa mga shoot, sa mga pinipicture natin from PR. And kapag aalis ako or mag-vlog something, may susutin akong magagandang earrings from CAISSEY.PH. So, ito, unahin natin to. Sobrang ganda niya, guys. Tingnan niyo mabuti. Sobrang ganda niya, as in. I love the color and yung design and yung something na character dyan sa gitna. So, ayan. Labas yun ng ganyan. So, ayan. Sobrang ganda niya, guys. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I love it. So, ayan. Suotin na natin siya. Oh, wow. Oh my gosh, ang ganda niya talaga. I love it. Sobrang ganda niya. Okay, another one. So, that's it. Oh my gosh, ang ganda niya. As in, sobrang ganda niya. And, ayan. So, if you want to purchase like this earrings, just search CAISSEY.PH. So, ilalagay ko dyan para makita nyo and mas madali nyo silang mahanap. And yon, again, thank you so much CAISSEY.PH for sending me these earrings. And super, I love it talaga. Sobrang ganda niya. So, if you want to purchase like these earrings, again, just search CAISSEY.PH and para naman may mga ihiko kayo na magaganda na pwede kayong umara via Zoom. Then, kahit nasa bahay lang kayo, you deserve better. Like, you deserve to be a beautiful from like this to enhance our, our beauty. And this is something good for us. And sobrang nakaka-satisfy when you see yourself na comfortable ka sa itsura mo, na feeling mo ang ganda mo. Then, when you wear this, like this, earrings, yes, you will be beautiful. So, ayan. Again, thank you so much, CAISSEY.PH, for sending these earrings. And sobrang na-enjoy ko. And sobrang ganda niya talaga. This is highly recommended. Kasi tignan nyo naman, hindi siya basta-bastang earrings lang na parang feeling mo masisira agad. This is so, yan, makapal. And talagang, oh my gosh, ang ganda niya talaga. It's super comfortable to wear it. And yan, may something keme dyan na design. Sobrang ganda niya talaga. This is highly, 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 highly best, highly recommended. And yun, again, and again, thank you so much CAISSEY.PH for sending this. So, ayun guys, may something you need to scratch this para malaman natin kung ano ba yung parang sinasabi nila na magkakaroon ka ng gift sa next purchase mo. So, okay, titignan natin ha. Oh my gosh. You will have 40 pesos. So, you will have 40 pesos sa next purchase mo. Ayan. When you purchase. So, nakakatuwa lang kasi meron ka ng magandang earrings and quality na earrings. Tapos, meron ka pang mga pakeme na gift from CAISSEY.PH. So, thank you so much for these beautiful earrings and super easy to wear and super comfortable and sobrang nakaka-enhance siya ng beauty. So, again, thank you so much! And yan, and I hope you enjoyed this video. At kung di pa kayo nakapag-subscribe, please don't forget to subscribe below and hit nyo na rin yung notification bell para lagi kayong updated sa aming daily vlogs. So, ayun. Bye! Thank you for watching!